Hey guys, what's up and welcome. This is Matthew, the hybrid, the designer and developer. In this video, I want to share something. As you can see this screen here, the screens that you see here, these screens are live on Google Play. At Coded Design, we have managed to publish our first app. So this app, it's an audiobook. Please, guys, please go and check it. Okay. So as you can see, this is the code. This is an Expo project, React Native. Okay. As you can see here is the splash screen. Okay. If we go here, as you can see, this is my console dashboard. This is Ubomi app and audiobook. This is Ubomi app. So what we're going to do now, we're going to view it on Google Play. Okay. As you can see, this is Google Play, so you can install it. Here are the screens. Okay, so that means we are making progress. We are becoming better developers. So my request from you, I would like to ask you, are you interested in the whole process? Do you want to know the mentality it takes, the thought process, the rejections, what Google reject, so that maybe when you want to publish your own application, you can just go to a video that will explain in detail from planning, coding, how to think about it, things that are important. For instance, I didn't know that data collection is the main thing. Now, when it comes to app industry, you must some sort of reveal what data are you collecting from people. And also something that I never thought is important is that people must have a right to delete their data on your services, on your application. But if you think about it, truly, it makes sense. Imagine me going to a certain website, filling in my details there, and then boom, my details are gone, and I don't have a way to delete my details there. Let's say this means that I am gonna be a victim of receiving some sort of marketing and advertising messages for the rest of my life. It's unfair. It's a bit unfair. So this is one of the rules or one of the things that Google is very high on. Okay. Obviously, some other details I will break them down when you requested the video on the comment. Okay, because now I'm about creating content that you guys want. Okay, instead of doing a very long video, as you know that I can summarize. I always give like details in everything. Okay, I will explain more things in the video, but what I was just trying to say, here is the app. Okay, so in this in the series, if maybe let's say the series or this video receive like more than 1,000 likes or something, or at least substantial number of likes, people to show, or comments, just to show that this is something that we're interested in, then I will do the video. But these are the screens. Okay, these are the screen. This is a reactive React native Expo application, as you can see. Okay, I did it after a number of rejections. Okay, Google has been rejecting me. Fix this, fix that. Your screens are not okay. But finally, guys, I have made it. This app has got its corresponding website, which has been done by Next.js. Okay, which has been done by Next.js. I hope the sound is not going to be too much. Let me lower it down a little bit. Okay, so it has got its own corresponding app. What can I say? Web app. Okay. Uh, I hope you can hear it. Okay, but this is not important because maybe it might make a lot of noise. And obviously, the language, this is a South African coastal language, so you might not get exactly what's being said there. So it's not that important that you hear it. But this is an audio book. So these are the chapters. This is the web version. So in closing, also I had to do something which is a privacy policy, okay, which is something that also I did because Google wanted it. This details exactly how are you sharing, how are you collecting information from the app users. As you can see at the bottom there, here are the contact details. This is the website detail. This is my email, and this is the developer's website. Okay, this is my personal website, and this is the privacy link. Okay, so if you click here, it will take you here. As you can see, this is my developer's website. So it's very important that the traceability, in a way, it looks like it's something important. I'm learning, or I have learned a lot from that process, because those are the things that, to be honest, I have I didn't have a clue about. Like, I never thought this thing is serious. But if you think about it, you are like, oh, okay. As a user, I have to retain the control and the power. So in the future, or in my future application, whether it's a web app, as soon as I collect somebody's information, for instance, here in my website, I think I do collect the user's info. Okay, when you want to some sort of schedule a discovery call, you want to get in touch with me, and you're interested in this 10-hour coaching course, I do collect the user info here. But I didn't know that I have to give you a way to delete your information. To be honest, I didn't. Okay, maybe it's because this section, or this part, this functionality, never meant it was never meant to some sort of send you a message, an email, or send you whatever marketing. Okay, but nevertheless, it's a, what can I say, it's a good practice to allow a user to delete the information on your own server. And also, you must use some sort of security standard, like coding standard, to make sure that the client information is safe. Things like, what can I say, encryption. Okay, cool, because Google asks those things. Is the data encrypted? Okay, and also all the other standards. So guys, without getting into details, that's what I wanted to share with you. And then let me show you the confirmation, the actual email that has confirmed from Google that the app is live, which it didn't really look like a confirmation. Okay, so here is the last email that I have received from Google. Okay, it was IARC live rating notice for Ubomi app. So I was like, maybe since in that process there is a rating, so that your app can be rated in different countries, I can say. Obviously, different countries have got some different method or criteria by which they some sort of grant you a rating for your app. Maybe, for instance, let's say in South Africa, if the app has got gaming or whatever, maybe we categorize it as not safe for children. Maybe if you are maybe adult content, your app has got some pictures of people who are half naked. Maybe we can categorize it as some sort of maybe it's not a content that is not suitable for kids, and wara wara. So this is what they have sent me, of which to me it just felt like they are telling me about that. Maybe my app, it's suitable for everyone and something. Okay, as you can see, it comes from Google Play Store. Okay, from Google Play. So I thought it's just telling me about that. But I was like, since I've been waiting for some time, let me go to my console and check. And I was like, boom, the app is there. I'm Matthew Msingati, the hybrid, the designer and developer. If you feel like this video has added value into your overall understanding of publishing an app on Play Store, please do me a favor. Just hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video. And also, if you want a detailed series where I specialize specifically from thought process into coding, into installing everything, Expo, React Native, React Router, and the techniques and the things that you need to avoid when you are developing an app. Because in this app I didn't just jump and know everything. I installed a lot of dependencies which in deploying the app on Expo, which gave me a lot of problems. So I'm trying to say you need to avoid some packages that are unnecessary, that will just give an error. When you look at them, you're like, I've installed the dependency but I didn't use it, but now when you are deploying it, it's giving a problem because it has got an error. So if you are interested in those things, please guys shoot a comment below, and then I will create the series. It's going to be a long one because I'm going to explain it in such a way that you get the process and you get it right from the beginning. Matthew, the hybrid, the designer and developer. See you on the next one.